Yo, what's up, my sore muscle squad? You know that feeling after leg day? The one where you're walking like a baby giraffe that just learned to stand? Yeah, it's rough, but fear not, because today I've got the ultimate fix for your muscle soreness and stress. Say hello to the Deep Tissue Muscle Massage Gun, the best gadget to ever hit your recovery routine. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one, because there's a feature you definitely don't want to miss. And that's when this bad boy came to the rescue. This thing has 30, yes, 30 different speeds. So whether you need a gentle touch or you want to turn your body into a human jackhammer, you're covered. And the 9 interchangeable heads, it's like customizing your own personal massage robot. You got stiff shoulders, sore back? Bam, hard to reach, you already know, bam, instant relief. And here's the wild part, it's whisper quiet. You could literally use this thing during a Zoom meeting and no one would know. It's like shh, secret recovery happening over here. And that ergonomic handle, you can hit those tricky spots like a pro. But wait, the best part, you can take it anywhere. This thing is fully portable. No cords, no outlets, just a 6 to 8 hour battery life, which means it's perfect for on-the-go use. Gym, even on a trip. You could be sitting in traffic, getting a massage, mind blown. Bro, it's like living in the future. And hey, if you're watching this right now, I gotta ask, what's your go-to recovery method? All right, sore muscle fam, you need this in your life. Trust me, you'll never look back. Hit that like button if you're feeling relaxed, just thinking about it, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving gadgets. Peace out and stay pain-free.